What are we making?
Making ice cream.
Making ice cream.
Orange ice cream.
Popsicles, huh?
Oh, popsicles.
Yeah.
One.
Put grapes in there.
One.
You're gonna eat the grapes. Bananas in?
Yeah.
And one more. Is that good? Okay, ready? You're gonna put what are you gonna put in now? The oranges? You pop them in. One, two oranges. What are you putting now? Pineapple. Uh-oh. Pineapples. And mango. Put the mangoes in. Yeah, they're frozen ones. Good job. You put water in. Whoops. Go ahead. You put the spinach. Spinach in there. Shake it up. Shake it.
No, just go like.
Why don't you just put it down and then...
It's it!
Oh, there, now it's coming. There you go. There's some spinach. Yay. Now are we ready to do it?
Yeah.
To blend it? Okay, we gotta put the lid on. Put some honey in.
It's coming out.
Is it? Is it hard to squish it?
No, it's not.
Okay, turn it back. Turn it back up. It's gonna Thor. Okay, there's our honey.
That sticks.
Yeah, it's sticky, isn't it? It's sticky in your hand, in your mouth. Is it making it? It's okay. Ready to taste it?
I'm gonna flip it.
You're gonna take that off and taste it?
Flip it.
Okay.
I don't want to throw it in there.
All right, taste it. Is it good? Is it good? You gotta save some for the popsicles. Right? Thor, look at me. Is it good? Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah. Oh, yuck. Excuse me. Say excuse me. Okay, let's make some popsicles now. Ready? Does that look good? No, don't put your mouth. I will give you some. Thor, stop, gross. Stop, ew. Okay, watch out. You're spilling it everywhere. There. Okay, if it's that good, here. You can have the rest in there. There you go.
Don't spill it.
Okay, there's your straw and your drink. Now we have popsicles and you have a yummy smoothie, huh? There we go. Okay, let's put it on. You set it right on top.
It's going to be yucky.
Well, it has to turn this way. There. Don't smash it. You can't smash it, honey. There. There. Now we gotta put popsicle sticks in it, right?
Let's go. Maybe we all gone.
Put the popsicle sticks in. Okay, they're in there. You want to taste it? Can you get it off? There's only a few more. Try and get off.
Yeah.
2 hands. Yay! Look at that. Those look yummy, don't they?
It fall off the dash.
Yeah.
It did it.
Do those look good? Okay, we'll get them out. How's that popsicle? Yummy, if you like that.
Look off my hand.
Yeah. Okay. Yum, yum.